Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Gaming News. In this episode, we will take a look at news related to the Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, God of War, Fortnite, and many more updates related to the PC and console gaming. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first news is coming out from the most awaited game of the past 7 years, Cyberpunk 2077. CD Projekt Red, the studio behind the most famous Witcher games, faces a massive setback with the buggy launch of their most anticipated title. Cyberpunk 2077 was a complete disaster on last-gen consoles. Even the company itself have apologized for the poor release of the game on consoles. This game is already removed from the PlayStation Marketplace, and the users are no longer able to download the digital copies of the game. In addition, the Sony, Microsoft, Steam, and CD Projekt Red has issued full refund for all PC and console users. The company has already faced almost $1 billion of loss due to the buggy release of the game. CD Projekt Red has promised the users that they will roll out some major patches in the month of January and February to fix the game. Cyberpunk 2077 is out for PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, and Google Stadia. The version for Xbox Series S and Series X is in development, and this game has sold more than 13 million copies on all platforms in first 10 days. The next news is also related to the Cyberpunk 2077. It is found that if the save games of the Cyberpunk 2077 exceeds the size of 8 MB, it will get corrupted. CD Projekt Red suggested the users to use older save game files and try to limit the items and crafting materials in the inventory. CDPR also said in the next patch they will increase the size of the save game files to overcome these issues. The next news is great for Call of Duty fans, as according to the latest trailer, Call of Duty Modern Warfare has bunch of new contents like 4 new maps, 3 new weapons, and our most famous character Captain Soap McTavish as an operator. Still, it is not clear whether these contents will be a part of Season 7 or not. Captain Soap McTavish has a separate fanbase from the launch of first Modern Warfare, followed by Modern Warfare 2 and Modern Warfare 3. The next news is related to the Game Awards 2020. Despite lots of controversies and the fan disappointments, Last of Us had selected as Game of the Year. Everyone was hoping for Ghost of Tsushima will win the title of Game of the Year, but Naughty Dog's Last of Us had won the title. As we have discussed in the last gaming news, the skin of Halo series protagonist, the Master Chief, will join in the Fortnite. Along with Master Chief, some of the characters from the famous Walking Dead series will also join the game. Sixth news is related to the God of War. According to the PlayStation Group marketing manager, TJ Konsunji, God of War had generated a massive revenue of $500 million. God of War had sold over 10 million copies. Also, the other PlayStation games like Horizon Zero Dawn from Guerrilla Games grabbed $400 million, and Naughty Dog's Last of Us and Uncharted games managed to pull $1 billion revenue. The last news is related to the FIFA 21. FIFA 21 and NFL 21 is now released on PS5 and Xbox Series S and Series X. These next-gen console versions includes faster loading times, more realistic movements of the players, and more improved graphics. Also, EA announced that the player who had purchased the game for PS4 or Xbox One will get the free copy for PS5 or Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. So that's it guys for today's video. Please like the video, share to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, see you soon.